One of the recent hot news in the world of technology is the agreement between Nvidia and Nokia. Today, we will discuss this agreement in detail. Nvidia, who are already known for their AI chips and graphics cards, have signed a new agreement with Nokia. The main purpose of this agreement is to develop 6G cellular technology. Under this agreement, Nvidia will invest $1 billion in Nokia. In return, Nokia will provide their technology to Nvidia so that they can use it in their future AI networking plans. This agreement has had a positive impact on Nokia's stock market. Nokia's shares have increased by about 22% since the announcement of the agreement. This partnership is not just an agreement between the two companies, but it is the beginning of a future where artificial intelligence and mobile network technology will work together. Nvidia and Nokia will work together on AI networking and software optimization. Through this collaboration, we will see new innovations in 6G technology. This agreement opens a new horizon in the world of technology. By combining Nvidia's AI capabilities and Nokia's networking expertise, we will move towards a better future. So what is your opinion about this agreement? How do you see this collaboration? Share your opinion in the comment box below. Thank you for staying with us. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated on the latest technology news. We are waiting for your comments and suggestions.